In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a WhatsApp chat to WordPress using a free plugin. Let me explain what you need to do here step by step. So first, once you're on your WordPress website, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard. From here, we can go to plugins. Go ahead and click on it. We will then be able to search for a plugin. So go add new plugin in the top left. And what you can do here is you can search for WhatsApp chat. Once you've made that search, you'll see all of the different types of plugins that you can use. Now, the plugin that we're going to use and install today is going to be the Click to Chat plugin by Holy Themes. And you can see it has 500,000 active installations and 5 stars. So go ahead and click install now, and that will install that plugin. Once you've got that plugin installed, you do need to activate it. So make sure you click activate, and then it will take you to the plugin section. So here we are in the plugin section, and here you can see we've got Click to Chat. Now, what we want to do now is go to settings, and you can go ahead and enter in your WhatsApp number here. Remember to enter in the correct country code for your country. I'll just enter in a random number here. Once you've done that, it's then going to give you some options you can edit. Now, some of these options are going to be pro options that you need to pay for, but a lot of them you can edit as you are. Now, once you've entered in your phone number, it's going to ask you to pre-fill some of these messages and change the settings. You can see here, it's asking for a pre-filled message. So you could put, "Hello, I'm here to help, message me with any questions." Obviously, you would customize this depending on your business and why you need a WhatsApp chat icon. You've got the call to action, which I would leave on WhatsApp us, or you could put here message us. And then you've got the style as well. Now, people recognize green square icon, but you can change it to these styles, and you can see the styles updating in the bottom right hand corner. I quite like the large icon for the video. Then you can choose whether you want the position to be fixed in the bottom right, and you can also change here the position. Once you're happy with all of this, and again, you can go and customize this at your own pace, but once you're happy with it all, go ahead and click Save Changes. Once you've got the changes saved, head over to your website and preview it. You can see now we've got the WhatsApp button, and if someone clicks on it, it's going to take them to WhatsApp. Now, obviously, if they click on it on their phone, it will open up their app. So that's how to do it. I hope that helped you out.